Good morning and welcome to part 2 of our video. Last time we covered accessing a tree with a rope and harness. What I want to show you first is installing a cambium saver for our primary line from the ground. This is going to save us a bit of time with changeovers, and if we can accurately do it, it does save a lot of time and just makes things more efficient. Okay, so we've got the cube here with the throw line in. I've set that up so we're not going to get tangled up. Next thing I'm going to do is take the cambium saver. I'm going to thread the line through the larger ring and put it in a situation where that's going to run freely. I'm then going to attach the throw bag, probably just using a clove hitch on this one. Or you can tie a bowline, something that's easy to retrieve afterwards. So that's that. We've picked our point in the tree where we want to head. Again, we just want to make sure that's not getting tangled. Okay, so we've now got the throw line over our desired anchor point that hopefully is going to be unquestionably reliable. And I'm just threading through the smaller eye of the cambium saver now, and again I'm going to tie this off with a clove hitch. Like so. We're just going to pull this up over the branch. And as that comes over, I'm going to drop the line back down. In readiness to take our rope. So we're at a point now where we're ready to pull our primary line up through the cambium saver. I'm going to do this by installing a clove hitch down the rope, followed up by a series of half hitches. And what we want to do is get our last one as far to the end as we can, and that just helps it go through smoothly without catching on anything. Once we're happy with that, we can start to take the line up. So we're just coming up to that last bit. Let's give it a final extra bit of effort there. Encourage it through those rings of the cambium saver. Again, keeping that line in the cube, keeping everything neat and tidy and tangle free. We've now got our primary and secondary anchor points installed from the ground, ready to ascend. But before we do so, we're just going to load test this system. Ideally, in normal circumstances, you'd use a groundsman or two bodies to make sure you've got the weight on there. Obviously, being COVID at the moment and social distancing, I'm happy enough to check this myself and proceed with that.